Everybody these days complain about their lifestyle, thinking on the future instead of living for right now. My emotions are torn, it's like my soul is weakened. Every day it's the same thing, feeling trapped in the sequence. Going to church every Sunday on the weekend, trying to stay faithful while the pastor be preaching. So much crime in the streets, cats is robbing and thieving. Drug abuse, murders, natural disasters, diseases. I'm close to the edge, I'm already at the deep end. Thinking this life worth living, I'm on the verge of leaping. Falling for lies, we no longer follow honesty. People losing their way, we've been brainwashed by technology. Innocent young girls getting raped, going through sodomy, getting laid off from jobs. We can't get past this economy. So much misery, so what's the point of even going on? But I gotta be strong and keep holding on.
I'll keep holding on.
I 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 keep constantly, I'm always paranoid. I can't trust nobody. Must explain the reason why I haven't found somebody. But these females are out for self, they always wanna try me. I'm going crazy with drugs, the doctor's gonna prescribe me. As a child they diagnosed me, said I had ADD. You should have seen the way they used to play me, all the stress and problems they gave me. And it's like no one will ever just cut us some slack. And it's a shame, cause all he wants to do is just rap. They say keep doing your thing, G, and keep rhyming. Everything will come in good timing. But when the fuck is it coming? Been waiting for 22 years, out of luck and I'm scared. Still just a local rapper, which means I'm small time. Busting my ass, working with this part-time. Too many disappointments, so many hard times. I'm hanging on my last lifeline, I'm holding on.
I'll keep holding on.
I keep 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 it's like the all I trust into these conniving politicians. They divide us all, whether you Muslim, Catholic, or Christian. Tell you the truth, I lost all faith in religion. You try to take the message and envision, just too ignorant to listen, steadily bitching. While mom straining over a hot stove in the kitchen. Sister going off to college, who gon' pay her tuition? We're all pawns on the chessboard trying to play our positions. But it's time to get real and wake up. People around me, they all need favors. They not really my friends, they all really two-faced. Plus I'm behind on my bills, it's past the due date. In between a split road, which way should I go? Will the choice I make be the right one? But who knows, someone save me. I'm gripping on by a thread, but I keep hearing this voice replaying over and over in my head. And it keeps telling me to hold on.
I'll keep holding on.
I keep holding on.
I'll keep holding on.
I keep holding on.
I'll keep holding on.
I keep holding on.